Guys, look at this adorable cat home that someone has built for the local cats. There's food, water, and they all have their own little room to sleep in. Although there's none in there right now because they're all basking in the sun, but it's amazing. What a cool place to live, hey? My bum is a little bit numb from sitting on the rock, but I watched the ocean for about an hour and I think it's now time to go and make some breakfast. But this is how I do crumpets without a grill. The Ridge Monkey is perfect. Let's just flip them. Ta-da! That is a face of pure excitement.
Yeah, boy. These crumpets are divine. Super soft, nice and fluffy, and a perfect texture.
Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing.
So the wind's picked up a little bit. It's very fresh this morning, but I'm still wearing a t-shirt. The sky is blue, so in my head that's t-shirt and shorts weather. I've spotted an adventure truck in the distance, so I'm gonna go and take a look now. I mean, look at that. You'd lose your tire in there easy in a normal vehicle, but this truck, no problem. And you can see on the floor here the big tread from the tires. I'm not sure I really agree with them making such a mark on this very special environment by the coast. But anyway, that's where the adventure truck is, parked up down there. They seem happy, but I'm not sure the GNR would be very happy if they spotted them.
A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice, dead. And in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn.
And there's a closer shot of the expedition vehicle hanging out in the bushes. And yeah, you can see the tires, it's a beast.
So it's quite a gorgeous day. It's a bit windy and it's a bit chilly because of the wind. That's why I've got my jacket on, even though I'm in the sun, which is a bit weird. But I think today might be possibly the last day that we're going to spend on the coast. We've been here on the coast for a good couple of weeks, maybe about 3.5 weeks or something now. And we're going to start making our way inland, slowly getting to our land. We've got stuff we want to do there before we leave, and a few places we want to go to on the way back to the ferry at the beginning of Feb. So I think this is the last day that I'm going to see the sea until we get on the ferry. So, you know, I've had a lovely time, but I'm looking forward to seeing some new places as well and getting back to the land. So we got here last night and met up with Martin, who's car camping. I'm sure you guys all know by now. And basically where we've parked, there's loads of areas where you can kind of just drive down and park up amongst the bushes. So there's quite a few vans here, but they're all hidden away. But I love this spot, the beach is glorious.
When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember
So when I was filming the drone footage, I noticed in the background behind our van, there was literally a huge white lorry vehicle, and it looks really posh, so I'm gonna go take a look now. So guys, look at this vehicle, it's absolutely crazy, it's so huge. I'm not sure you'd be able to get many places in it, but it's just crazy. It's got pull-out sides on both of the sides as well. So it must come to about, I don't know, 18 foot wide, possibly. It's just ridiculous. Not really my cup of tea, but it's definitely very nice, and it's got tinted windows all around, and it's just a beast.
Guys, look at this adorable cat home that someone has built for the local cats. There's food, water, and they all have their own little room to sleep in. Although there's none in there right now because they're all basking in the sun, but it's amazing. What a cool place to live, hey?
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls.
We've come back to this beautiful lake. The sun is setting and I think we're gonna get a fire on. And we've got Martin with us as well, so we can have a nice fire together.
The final straw. I never felt like this before.
So we are having a fire because it's quite chilly in the night here. The sun is no longer on us, so we're gonna have a little fire. I think we'll probably do some baked potatoes, yeah?
Yeah, definitely, baked potato.
Yeah, baked potatoes, so.
As always. So we got this fire pit in like 2014 and we must have used it like well over 100 times. It's so good. And tonight we are doing the classic baked potatoes on the embers. And we've actually got some baked beans this time, so that'll be nice.
Perfect.
Instead of tuna.
Yeah, and it's really good because it just contains the fire perfectly.
Keeps it clean, leave no trace.
So we've got some spuds ready for the fire because it's roaring now, isn't it?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, that's giving off a lot of warmth. It's lovely.
So nice. Cannot beat a campfire.
Everyone, I just spotted. What do you think of Theo's socks and sandal combo? And today he's gone the extra mile and actually tucked his trousers in.
Got to stay warm. We're a little bit inland now, away from the sea, so it gets a little bit more chilly at night, so I'm always ready, always prepared.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe now and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. If you want to support us and help continue making our videos, then join us on Patreon from only $1 a month. See you on the next one.